Hello my people, welcome back to the channel once again. Today I'm going to be sharing my trade recap on gold, and today is actually 11th of February on Tuesday 2025. I'll be sharing my trade recap on gold, and I actually caught this particular trade on the 1 minute time frame. So join me on my screen so that I can actually show you how I actually caught that trade with the confirmation I used and my 88% winning strategy that I use on all my peers. So join me on my screen. My break of structure first. I always look at my break of structure first because my break of structure is what creates inducement for me. My break of structure is what creates inducement for me. So after noticing my break of structure, I noticed that the market is actually going on an uptrend, and the moment I saw my inducement, I knew that there would be a lot of liquidity lying below this particular inducement. So the moment I saw the liquidity, I marked the high of the day. This is the liquidity, this is the high of the day, this is my liquidity. So I knew that the market would come to take this liquidity up before it distributes. If you notice, this market explains just one thing. Accumulation, we have accumulation here. We have accumulation here. We have accumulation here, and here we have manipulation. They manipulated people into the market here, and here we have distribution. This is where our distribution started, and that is where I actually entered the market. So this is a 1 minute time frame scalping for gold, and that is how I actually caught my entry for this morning on gold. But now I want to explain in depth. I use smart money concept. I use SMC for all my peers. The rules of SMC is break of structure, order block, inducement, and entry. So I use my 1 minute time frame to enter the market. So now, after I saw a manipulation here, after I saw this manipulation here, I knew that they intentionally trapped some buyers in the market here. They trapped some buyers, and I knew that the market was going to come for my point of interest. This is my 1 minute order block. This is my point of interest on the 1 minute time frame. So the moment I saw that, I entered the market the moment I got a market structure shift. After a market structure shift, I waited for the market to actually retrace back to this order block and the imbalance in between. Now this is our order block here. This is our order block here, and this is our imbalance. Our imbalance starts from here. So I got in the market at the point of this imbalance in between the order block, and I rallied the market to this particular zone, and this is where I actually took my profit from the market. Now let's look at our executions. So this is my execution on gold. I entered the market from here to this particular zone. So this is how I actually caught a gold trade this early morning on Tuesday 11th February 2025. So thanks for staying by to watch my trade recap, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.